Hi everyone, so today I decided to do a little video. I wanted to do a little workout. To be quite honest, I had a little bit of anxiety today because I've never discussed this, but I did get into a car accident, and ever since when I drive, I get anxiety sometimes on long drives. So this is what actually happened today. So I'm trying to put myself in like a happy state of mind and a happy, like, you know, a better place. I actually do all my videos like full tilt. I don't edit or paste anything. My cat just is making noise in the background here. Kingston! Anyways, so what I like to do is things that make me feel good. Today's a little bit of a Debbie Downer. I was driving, got anxiety, started thinking about a past friend, you know, that I miss. So I just want to feel better, and I want to do a little video on, oh my goodness, what is my kitty cat doing? He's playing with this remote. Sweetheart. So, yeah, I'm gonna do something that makes me feel good, which is dancing sexy to music for myself. So what I did was I dressed like sexy, and I actually got this little outfit. I have this tiny little stool here so you can see it properly, from Licenza. So it comes like little tights. Oh, he's so cute. And like a sports bra. Look at how sweet he is. That's Kingston. Look at how gorgeous my big boy is. He's so cute. Okay, here we go, baby. So, yeah, like I was saying, I got a Licenza. I have two sports bras, a different style than this one. And this one, it's super cute. Look at that. I love army, and anything to do with army or leopard print, I love. So when I saw this, I'm like, I have to have it. So me and my best friend, we like got the same outfit, and I love it. This actually is see-through in the middle, to be quite honest. See, so I just wore like a black bra inside just so it's more appropriate for filming. Yes, what was I gonna say? I truly believe, ladies, that when we're not feeling good about ourselves, or when we're having a bad day, we need to be sexy and make ourselves feel good. Now, sexy and feeling sexy always helps put me in a better mood, and having a glass of vino doesn't hurt either. Oh, cheers. So, like I was saying, that's what I was doing. Instead of feeling down and whatever, I want to feel happy. I want to feel sexy. And to be quite honest, I was thinking about somebody, so I'm going to do a little sexy dance for myself. But in my head, it was a song that I had dedicated once to somebody that was special to me and I've been thinking about lately. And I haven't talked to you in a really long time. And you know what? I'm just going to put it out there into the universe. And that's it. Like, this person, I'm not going to mention any names or nothing, was a friend. And unfortunately, they don't know I have a YouTube channel, so, you know, whatever. It's okay. I'm not doing it for them to see it. I'm doing it for me. It's all about me. So, like what I was saying before is, ladies, I really think that you should feel good about yourself and sexy. And, I think it comes from within, and if we're confident about ourselves and we feel good about ourselves, we're going to just portray confidence in everything. And in prior videos, like the one how to move your body like a snake video, I've had so many comments about women talking about being overweight. Can they do it? Yes, anyone can do it. You just have to feel good. You have to let go. And the secret is, you just got to do it. Have a little glass of vino. Loosen up. Feel good about you. You know, anyone and everybody can do it. We're all shapes, sizes, colors. We're all beautiful. We got to know that we're beautiful in here. And then the world can see our beauty too. We got to feel good and feel sexy. And honestly, ladies, we need to feel sexy. We need to pull that inner sexiness and just shine it. Shine it. We are gorgeous, and we gotta feel it and believe it and be it. So that being said, I really believe in doing sexy. Being sexy comes from music and feeling good and feeling music. Music is expression, it is art, and we gotta go with it. And what I'm gonna do in this video, unfortunately, I can't play the music because I had made another video with music and I realized copyright stuff, so we can't do that. So I will play the song Lips on You by Maroon 5, just because I like that song very much. And it just reminds me of someone that I dedicated it to like a while ago. So I'm gonna have that in here and I'm gonna dance to it. Unfortunately, you can't hear the music because I don't want the video to be zapped for copyright stuff. So if you want to hear it with the music, play it yourself. Lips on You. I'm going to use my old phone to like play the music in here, and hopefully you can see me and maybe play the music in the background for yourself. But I'm going to incorporate, this is what I'm going to do, incorporate the moves that I taught in prior video in here, so you see it, but you're not going to hear the music. But I'm going to explain again how to do stuff. So bear with me, and I'm happy because I had a little video, and I'm feeling all good because I was feeling not so good earlier. So we got to make ourselves feel good. That is so important. Put yourself in good moods because nobody else will do it. You rely on you and you alone, and guess what, girls? I'm there to support you and push you and help you feel good. Feel good about us. So yeah, like I was saying, I got this Licenza, and then like the sports bra underneath, it's like it's regular sports bra. It's like 2 in a pack. I got it actually at Giant Tiger for like $17.99, which is pretty cool. So let's start. So I don't know if you see again my little outfit, because we gotta shape the belly, and you know what? Dancing and moving and going really fast to certain songs too is like a workout. Getting like a workout and dancing, that's a workout. It tones and it gets the body in shape. So I haven't done anything in a really long time since actually my last video that I did the little exercises. So I have my period right now, so I'm a little bit bloated and stuff like this, and I don't care. We're ladies, it happens. So I'm bloated, so never mind that. Just bear with me. Here we go. I hope you like the video. I hope I'm not talking too much. So I'm gonna start it. Yeah. Why is it not starting? Okay. Here we go. I love this song. Once again, Lips on You, Maroon 5. I dedicate this to you, baby. So it's so important to feel the music, okay? Feel it. And you know what, ladies? You feel sexy. Dance for yourself in the mirror. Feel sexy. Feel how beautiful you are. And then you could dance for your significant other, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your wife, or your husband. Feel it. I'm gonna move the stool out. So I'm gonna explain to you now. You have to feel the music, feel the music. It's like water flowing through a stream. And let me tell you something. Dancing, when you're dancing, especially like belly dancing and stuff, every part of you helps. The hands helps turn the hips. So when you're turning, if you move this hand the same way, it helps. And then you move this way for the top. And then you turn. Feel the music. It's like water. It's like flowing. Every beat of the music, you're feeling it. You're moving your body. Okay, girls, now, like this. And then if you want to do the booty shaking, because I've had questions about that, so you can. You do the little. Be sexy. Be sexy. So I hope you like this video. I'm going to stop this song right here because it just shut off. See, I'm tired. I'm out of breath right now. I don't know how that looks. I'm going to look at it after just to see, because I'm dancing with headphones and I want to explain everything. So yes, you're moving your hips. See? This way, this way, this way, this way. And you have to use your hands as guides, you know? So boom, 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 boom. And then boom, boom. So when you're getting into it, if I can move back a little bit to explain. So when you're getting into it, right? Let me pull that up. It's just like boom, 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 boom. See, remember? You don't move the top. You just move the bottom. Boom, 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 boom. And then you boom, boom, boom. So if you're moving this way, you're spinning, you're turning around. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, Shakira, boom, 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 boom. Well, I'm not Shakira, but you know, I'm trying in my head to be like, think about her. So that's it. And then you move forward, forward, forward. When you do that, you think of the waves flowing, and then you flow your body, you flow your body like that, like that. And let me tell you something, the more you practice, the more you do it. If you're like, no, oh no, oh my God, I can't do it. I can't do it. No, you definitely will not be able to do it. You will not. So if you're just like, whatever, I'm going to try it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to drink a little wine, and then you just go with it. You were so going to do it. Let me tell you something, girl. You're so going to do it. So try it. Do it. Have fun, because life is about fun and making yourself happy. So I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to continue having fun. And I just wanted to make a quick, cute, little sexy video, and I hope you like it. And let me know, because I'm a little bit happy, and you know, I just decided, why not? It's my channel. I can have fun doing it. I wish I could have done it to music, but you know, copyright issues are huge, and I don't want to get zapped by YouTube. I already, you know, I'm not doing so well in their books because I stopped my channel for like 2-3 years. So, bad girl. That's it. I hope you liked this video. I hope it helps. I hope you give me comments below to let me know what's up. And that's it. Watch my other videos. They're not like this, because today I was just like, I just wanted to be happy. Cheers, and have a wonderful day.